place, a time to breathe, to just be still. Let the quiet work its will. Oh, coffee and daydreams, what a pair. Moments like these, so rare, so rare. A sip, a thought, the world done once. In this cozy corner, peace I find. Outside the rush, the clamor fades. Here, the gentle music plays. A time to breathe, to just be still. Let the quiet work its will. Outside the rush, the clamor fades.